Here's what you'll need for a delicious take on that key lime pie recipe. You need some condensed milk, butter. I like to add a bit of green colouring and add flavour, but it makes it look good. Bit of vanilla extract. Try and get the extract if you can and not just flavouring. Then some crumbly biscuits, some limes if you can't get key lime, which I can't, just get any limes. Some double cream and some eggs. First thing we're going to do, give your limes a good wash and then get the green zest off them. Once you've got the zest off, it's time to get the juice out. With your limes, just give them a quick roll and it just loosens up the juice inside. And then get them juiced. Once you've got the juice out, see these little bits of flesh that are left, we're going to take them off, keep them and put them in the base. With your lime sorted, we're now going to pulverise your biscuits, either in a processor, which is the quick way, or by hand mashing them. And your biscuits resemble sand. Time to go in with your melted butter and those fleshy bits that you saved when you juiced your limes. And then again, give them a quick whirl. Once you've added the butter and the bits, it's time to get either a cake tin or a flan dish. I like cake tins because you can just spring loaded, so you can just open them like that. A lot easier to get your pies and whatever out. So in there, we're just going to spread that round, and then this is going in the fridge for an hour or two, just to firm it up a little bit. Onto your eggs. So we're going to separate 4 eggs. So whites in one dish and your yolks in the other. Then just give your yolks a quick mix up so they become nice and creamy. In with your eggs is going your condensed milk, your fresh lime juice that you juiced, and a dash of your cream. Not forgetting the visual effects, so in with some of your green food colouring and give them a good old mix. With your filling made, it's time to get your base out of the fridge, then in with this deliciousness. Give it a shake, even it out, and then this is going in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for around 20-30 minutes until it nicely firms up. You don't want it turning brown or anything, just nicely firm. Into the same dish your filling was in. We're going in with your double cream or heavy cream in America, whatever it's called. Then a bit more of your food colouring and some of your vanilla extract, a bit of extra taste. And we're going to get those whisked up. And your cream forms nice little peaks like that, you know it's ready. And your pie is firmed, still looks like jelly, but when it's firmed up a bit, you're going to let that cool down because you don't want to put cream onto hot stuff. Who knows what will happen to it. When it's cooled down a little, so it's gone a bit firmer, as you can see, it's time to get your cream topping on it. You'll never get it completely smooth, but that'll do. And then all that's left is to put your zest on. And then pop this back in the fridge for half an hour, just so that your cream has a chance to firm up a little. Then cut yourself a slice, pour a cup of tea and get stuck in.